This 10 years old Toyota Fortuner came to our showroom for a complete restoration. Originally the car OEM color was bronze, but the client wanted a Nardo grey transformation for a fresh and modern look. We had previously applied a color PPF on another one of the client's vehicle and he was very satisfied with the results. However, this Fortuner was not suitable for color PPF application due to the numerous dents and scratches across the body. In such cases, repainting becomes essential before protection. Instead of color PPF application, we have suggested the client completely Nardo grey repaint. The client really appreciated the idea and gave us the checkered flag. For the paint job, we have used Exalta Chromax paint, which delivers a high quality OEM finish. After the paint job, we have protected the vehicle with 7 years Dragon PPF. Additionally, the vehicle's entire interior was replaced and refurbished, completing the transformation inside out. To complement the new color, we have completely changed the alloys in piano black, while the brake calipers were detailed in Ferrari red, giving the SUV a sportier appeal. Showcasing the craftsmanship and attention to detail defines Detailing Devil's exclusive.
Can't be scared to throw from the shoulders, nigga, get off. Caught my first fade from Sadiq, it's a dime. Took an L, but it's cool, wasn't scared, so I'm fine. Ain't no looking like a picture from the dad and my mom, huh? Think a nigga soft because I'm quiet, nigga. If you wanna die, they gon' try, nigga. I'm from the family full of killers, I ain't lying, nigga. Bitch, I came from top ramen, now it's mission. I ain't a thug, I'm a boss with a synonym. I'm tired of being humble, now I'm militant. I bought a rolling for the diamond cause I'm diligent. Ain't no memes, nigga, I won't own the shit. I need a motherfucking mansion with a boat shit. $1 million a quarter, what the quota is. Yeah, I'm talking like the man, cause I know he is. Oh, Lord, it's about time. Get that bread, I'm about mine. I call truce, it's just fine. Still got ties on both sides. Oh, Lord, it's about time. Get that bread, I'm about mine. I call truce, it's just fine. Still got ties on both sides. Tell them motherfuckers that I'm hemathy. Seen a bunch of killers I ain't mean to see. I ain't rich yet, nigga, but I'm fiend to be. Did it on my own, ain't no team with me. I got green to see, what's a greenery? Might break a bitch heart, ain't no leaving me, Plus I got some things to see, On a different frequency.
So let me know how did you like the transformation and share your comments in the comment section.